Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weav, and here on my channel, we coach you on 3 important areas of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we always help you to push forward in your careers in business and entrepreneurship. Lastly, we help you to build, maintain, and nurture long-lasting and more meaningful relationships. Today, though, we talk about why, more than likely, you should have left that relationship a long time ago. Now, if you don't know much about me, I don't like to waste time, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. Letting go means you understand that some people are a part of your history, but they are not a part of your destiny. So what makes you stay when you're unhappy in a relationship? Why can't you break that long cycle of giving it another shot? Why isn't it just as easy as saying, nah, I'm moving on with my life? And these are questions that plague a lot of people that are currently in an unhappy relationship or marriage. They feel that there's this connection, this reason for the love. There is this feeling that if you indeed walk away, you just might regret your decision. There are these nervous feelings of maybe not finding someone that will be compatible with you. There is this unassured feeling of how long it'll take for you to find the right person. There is also this feeling of, well, I'm used to this. And those struggles, those daily struggles that you deal with, they cause a lot of stress and anxiety in your relationship. It causes a lot of arguments. It causes some people to resent their partner or their lover. But I am a strong believer that you were never meant to have just one love in your life. Let me explain. It is very rare that someone finds a love or spouse and stays with them for their entire life. You have different relationships, right? You have different partners. Some brought you joy, some are mistakes, some were hookups, some were rebounds, some were great loves. But what you need to understand is there is a level of contentment we get sometimes in our lives. And that denies us of the feeling of freedom to find a different love than the kind we are used to. And holding on to relationships that are stale, that are unhealthy, that are toxic, that are just seated in arguments and hateful messages between you and your partner, they need to be a thing of the past. You cannot make positive and productive progress in your life when you constantly have to deal with relationships that aren't building you up and making you stronger as an individual. And as an individual, there needs to be an understanding that standing alone can a lot of times help you feel stronger than standing together with someone who isn't helping build and develop your character. And when is it time to go? The time to go is when you feel that that vibe isn't different, that something is a little off. When the cheating and the lying starts, the deceiving, the hiding of cell phones, the random messages from other men and women you never even heard of. The I love yous start slowing down. When the trust gets broken. When promises start getting broken. You know the vibe you get when something feels really right in your life? Like that excitement that you feel, the joy, the just sheer fact that you can barely contain your happiness, right? Okay, then you know what it also means when you have those dreadful feelings of being in an unhappy relationship where you feel smothered or there's a lack of communication, a lack of caring as much as you used to. When you have those moments of looking at your partner and asking yourself, why the hell am I still here? You know that feeling. You have felt that feeling. And the reason why you stay is usually because of fear. Fear of not knowing what's on the other side for you. Because how can you end it when you live together, when you have kids together, when you have family members that love this person, when it's been 5 or 6 years of love? What will your friends and family think? Where are you gonna live? How are you gonna live off one income? There are tons of unanswered questions that you internalize, right? But the one question that is more important than any of those is, are you happy? And happy in a way that will allow you to see this relationship as something where you and your partner grow old together and share happiness. Because if that's not the feeling right now, if the answer to that question is no, it's soul searching time. It's time to have tough conversations with yourself and with your partner. Because there's a disconnect. And if things aren't changing, then your time is being wasted. If you aren't improving personally and professionally, if your life isn't changing for the better, if your finances aren't improving, then it's time to to realize that it may be time to move past this relationship and focus on self. Focus on improving your personal life so you can then manifest and attract some of the things that will allow you to build and develop a life of happiness. All that you are searching for is on the other side of fear. It's on the other side of making these uncomfortable decisions to leave a relationship when you are unhappy. So it's time to come to a solution. Decide what you want and need in your life. Figure out what has been triggering your anxiety. Understand yourself better by coming to the conclusion that you deserve better. Then go work on yourself. Make a decisive decision to walk away from anything that is not making you better and is below the standard of your living. If your girlfriend or boyfriend, husband or wife, life partner, whatever can't live up to what you want, then it's time for you to save your breath in making excuses for them and feeling less than, and pack up your stuff and go. There are 6 billion people in the world. You have plenty of options. There will always be more options for you to choose a partner that will be willing to participate in this relationship the way you are looking for. But it will take time. Be patient. Be persistent. Know your value and your worth. You got this. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in today. And if no one has told you this already today, I appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, I want you to become official to the squad by hitting that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom and become an official part of the team. I'll be back with another video for you guys soon. In the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired. And as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.